So, hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is a no contact reading for all the Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 3rd till the 9th of Feb. The roles can be reversed also, the action can be from your side also. Not, reson- not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box and you can find the links there. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono Masterclass link is given below in the description box. So let's start. That's life changing for sure. I'm doing it from a very long time. Ho'oponopono is the bestest. Let's see. The person that you are no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. Let's see what we have. We have the Star, the Ten of Cups, and the Knight of Cups. So, Sagittarius, this is someone who is quite optimistic and positive that they can have a future with you if they put in the effort and energy, and if they come forward towards you with some kind of peaceful solution to the problem. So, it's like basically someone feeling like they can come forward towards you with a peaceful solution, and everything is going to be sorted between you guys, or at least this situation have the potential to get sorted with time. Hmm. So this is someone who feels like coming forward towards you with a peaceful kind of resolution, and they feel like sorting it out with you, and they feel like they should remain optimistic and positive in this direction. Wow. Let's see what are their intentions. What this person wants from you, Sajis. Yeah, let's see what are their intentions for the situation between you and them. We have the Queen of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords, and the Two of Wands. So, see, their intention is to not to worry too much about the situation, give it some time, and work on themselves, focus on themselves until unless they can do something about it. So they basically want to work on themselves until unless they are going to be sure that this is a course of action that they should take from their side. So they want to come out of this anxious state of mind, this depressive kind of energy of thinking negative about the situation all the time. They want to have a centered and grounded kind of energy where they are very stable within themselves, and then they want to wait for the time when they will be able to stabilize the situation in the coming future. Getting very disturbed by all the background noises in my family, but I can't do anything about it, so let's do it. This is a part of my like existence right now. So yeah, let's do it like this only. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 9th of Feb. We have the Six of Wands, the King of Wands, the Hanged Man. So they're very much pumped up. They're very much in this energy of taking some kind of action in this direction. But when they're about to do that, they are like, no, I should not. I should not. This is not going to bring me anything good in return. So why should I even try to go in this direction? Although their feelings are to resolve it with you, their intentions are to stabilize the connection between you and them somehow in the coming future, and it's going to happen in the future according to them. But when it comes to this action part, they're about to text you or call you, then they are refusing to do that. Then they're about to do it, then they're refusing to do that. It's like they're in the surrender mode where they are working on themselves continuously, their own energies, their own healing individually, and then they want to understand what's the best course of action that they should take. So right now they're not doing anything about it because they don't know what to do and how to do it. All they're trying to do is to remain in the surrender mode and work on themselves. Okay, let's see for the guidance. Queen of Cups, Sagittarius, don't waste even a single minute on people, situation, or things who are not choosing you, even if you love them. Okay, it's high time for you to realize self-worth, your self-worth. Self-care, self-healing, and self-worth is very important for anybody to exist. Start with self-love. So all the love, all the care, everything that you want from another person, start giving it to yourself. Like treating yourself as another person here, right? Your lover. You should be your own lover, and you should treat yourself as a person that you want to love for the rest of your life, and see the magic unfolding in front of your eyes. Everything and everyone will start coming to you the way they should, and that's meant for you in a positive way. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sajis. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.